Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn some amazing facts about chimpanzees, one of the smartest animals on Earth. Let's begin. Fact 1. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives. Chimpanzees share about 98 to 99% of their DNA with humans. This means they are more closely related to us than any other animal except bonobos. Scientists studied chimpanzees to better understand human evolution. Fact 2. They are incredibly intelligent. Chimpanzees can solve problems, remember things, and even learn simple sign language. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, which is a sign of self-awareness. Only a few animals in the world can do this. Fact 3. Chimpanzees use tools. Unlike many animals, chimpanzees make and use tools. They use sticks to collect termites from termite mounds, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves as sponges to drink water. This shows how clever they are. Fact 4. They live in large communities. Chimpanzees live in groups called communities that can have 20 to more than 100 members. Each chimpanzee has friends and social relationships, just like humans. They groom each other to build trust and friendship. Fact 5. They communicate in many ways. Chimpanzees use sounds, facial expressions, body movements, and hand gestures to communicate. They can laugh, scream, hug, kiss, and even comfort each other when they are sad. Fact 6. Baby chimpanzees stay with their mothers for years. Baby chimpanzees are very dependent on their mothers. They ride on their mother's back and learn important survival skills by watching her. Young chimpanzees may stay with their mothers for up to 7 years. Fact 7. They are strong animals. Chimpanzees are much stronger than humans for their size. Their muscles allow them to climb trees, swing between branches, and move quickly through forests. Fact 8. They mostly eat plants. Chimpanzees are omnivores. They mainly eat fruits, leaves, seeds, flowers, and insects. Sometimes they also hunt small animals. Fruit is their favorite food. Fact 9. They live in African forests. Chimpanzees are found in several countries in Africa, especially in tropical rainforests and woodlands. Unfortunately, their habitats are shrinking because of deforestation and human activities. Fact 10. Chimpanzees are endangered. Chimpanzee populations are decreasing due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and disease. Protecting forests and wildlife helps ensure these amazing animals survive for future generations. Final message. Chimpanzees are intelligent, social, and fascinating animals that teach us a lot about ourselves and nature. If you love animals and want to learn more amazing wildlife facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next animal adventure.